Can I improve my eczema by changing my diet?
I wish the answer to that question was yes. Unfortunately, it's been studied very intensely, and we don't have any evidence to suggest that changing your diet will help your eczema, although I wish the answer would be different. If you have a food allergy since you were a child, so say you were, for example, an infant who was known to have a peanut sensitivity, for example, then you obviously will not benefit. You would stay away from peanuts. But if you're an older child, or if you are an adult with atopic dermatitis, unfortunately, withholding certain foods or changing diet hasn't been shown to improve the itch or the disease in any way. I think that what would be really important here is to point out that if you're looking for triggers, think about what comes in contact with your skin. There are a lot of different triggers that can cause eczema that have to do with what products you're using on your skin, or how you're washing your skin, and how irritated your skin can be in its environment, that are much more relevant to driving activity of eczema.